guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Boya Lavalier. Thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate you guys. To my new subscribers, you're most welcome. To my old tribe, you are the best. So in today's video, like I mentioned last time, we're going to talk about how you can design an ebook using your phone and a special app that I'm going to show you in a second. So right now I just want to show you what type of a phone I'm using, or what type of software I'm using on my phone, just so you can be rest assured that you can also use the same software to design this ebook. So the version that I'm using is Android 8.1. So if you're within that range, or maybe if you're at 10 already, it's not a problem, you can still do it. So let me quickly show you the special app that I'm going to use today. It's called Canva. This is the software that we are using today. It's called Canva. We are designing an ebook in Canva using our phones. Now that we are in Canva, you can see what you can do with Canva. You can do a lot of things with Canva. You can actually start your businesses using Canva. You can start making commercial videos. You can start making posters for Instagram and you sell them out as templates. You can also make resumes for people, sell labels, invoices, t-shirts, a lot of things that you can do with Canva. So, but today we're going to stick to an ebook. So to begin with, let's type Canva in the search bar. So you're going to type USA later document. This is a standard dimension for all ebooks. So now that we have a blank template, or a blank ebook template, we can add now maybe an existing template already. So what I did now is just to tap on the plus sign, and then you have templates upload and stuff. So we'll go to templates, and then under templates we'll type ebook, whatever, whichever works for you. So with this ebook, I'll get both ebooks and just cover pages for ebooks. So right now on my phone, I can only have an ebook that is up to 4 pages, like this one, and these others that are written free, they are mostly cover pages. So anything that is written 1 of 4, 1 of 10, 1 of something, it means that it has more than 1 page to it. Okay, maybe we can take this one, and then I tap on apply all 4 pages. So we can now start editing all these pages, customize them to our own brand colors. But let me see first if we can replace the colors, the background colors. These colors that you see here written Wifepreneur, those are my brand colors for my online brand, and these are some of the things that I use. So we might go in maybe with red, whatever that color is. I believe it's red, guys. Ooh. And then here, I'm not sure. Or maybe let me just take it. Okay, yeah, this will look a bit better. And then here, you can say, and then you can delete that and that. So this we can change. I think I need to add another. Okay, no, I don't need that. Let's go back. So I'll tap there and add text and add a subheading, step-by-step guide. So this can be the main heading, and we can change that, and then we can change them to that and make them bigger. I want to get more views. There's something that we need to hear. I don't like how the spacing is, so yeah, something like this. I think same. We want to change the same font to Josephine, the author. Okay. All right, like that. We can add maybe a YouTube. Yeah, the red tells it all that it's YouTube button. Let's look for a YouTube icon. Okay, maybe we can take this one. And then maybe here we can see how to get more views. Unhinged everything. Then we go now to the second page, and then we can say table of content instead of content. I just want to show you how you can just easily change things around. So table of content, then we can make it smaller and move it there on the middle. And then you can have your pages. Then we have page 1, and then you can write maybe why do you need more views, or why you need more views. Again, I don't like the spacing of this whole thing. Pull it down. I don't like that up there also. Right, something like that. Again, we are going to edit the font to our own font. Like I mentioned, I don't like. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, we can make it italic here, and then I don't like the spacing right there, so we can make it normal. We can make it a bit normal like that. So right, so that's basically our table of content, how it can be. Then we can also change the background color. Sorry guys, we can change the background color to anything of your choice. Maybe not too white. We can try that. Yeah, I guess, because I don't like it when my background is white. And then we also changed this background color to that grayish that we got there, and then we delete it because we want to write now paragraphs. So anything that you don't want, you tap on it, tap on the dustbin, then you have it. So our first page, we said we're going to say what you need, why you need more views. So on here, I'll tap on the plus sign and then go to elements. We're gonna delete that and just look. Let me see what is new here. I can use this element and put it up there and say, or maybe we can use this red, and let's try to shred it in a bit. Okay, alright, I don't know why I'm making it smaller already like this, but yeah. So I want to add the text. I want to say page 1. Oh, I mean, why you need more views, right? And then I think it will be like that. Then I'll need to move that there. I'm just playing around, guys. You can do the same. Whatever works for you, whatever works for you. And then we edit here. Oh, okay, that's if I want. Then I want to change my font, of course, to that. And then now I want to add text. Then I tap on text. And then I start writing whatever I need to write. So make spaces. Write whatever you want. Decide to make it smaller and put it here. And add picture. So we go to uploads, and then you can choose any picture of your choice. But now under images, these are pictures that I've uploaded for either my Instagram post, for my thumbnail and stuff like that. But Canva also offers a million of photos that you can choose from. So you can go to photos, and then maybe we can look for a picture that says YouTube. I'm telling you, with Canva, you just play around, you'll get whatever you want. So maybe you want to add that picture, for example. Really, I'm telling you, you can just add anything of your choice, but I don't think that will be appropriate. Let me go back. Let's go back to pictures. Maybe we can use, we could use that. You can put it here, just so you can engage your readers. And this also can be there with whatever that you have on there that you have written. Okay, so with your texts in Canva, not only in Canva, but it's advisable that when you're writing an ebook, you don't use the center justification or alignment. Make use of right, so then it looks like the right one that we use for books and stuff. So that is how it will look. Okay, so the next page we said is the strategy to grow more views. So on this page, you can delete that all. So we go to elements. Okay, I'll just take the same element and do that again, and put it up there, just like we did where the other one we made it red and the background of the page is gray. What was that? We're gonna say the strategy to more views. Heading the strategy to more views, right? So we're gonna take that also and put it there, and we're gonna change the font to that. And again, we are going to add. So the first element we can add it, and then I'll add my text, and then I can type maybe strategy 1. Then I'll copy this, and then I have a second box. I can also copy that and paste it here, and press strategy 2. So just so that your book is a bit exciting, it's not so boring. And then that's the page number. If you wish, you can add the page number. If not, then this is. We're gonna type our conclusion. Yes, we also want to add that element, the red element that we have used on all other pages, which is a square, but we turn it into a rectangle there. When it becomes that. Okay, so guys, I'm not designer. I am no designer, so designers can come in here and do their job. So in conclusion, we say we add our text, and then we say whatever we're gonna say. Again, maybe we want to say, to show our conclusion with a diagram or a chart, then we can go to templates and type in chart. Then you can type day 1. Day 1, maybe you had no views because you didn't know how to do that. And then day 2, also you just got maybe 3 views, 6 views. But day 3, a lot changed after you read my ebook. Now you applied what you read, and then you got 80 views out of it. So we can use any of this. Let's try a donut to conclude that. So this is how you can add all these elements in your own book. So basically this is it. This is how you can design your ebook. This is where we started. We said you choose your colors, the brand colors, and you do so by tapping on the item or the place where you want to change the colors. Then you tap, you change the colors. It's really important for your business to have brand colors. Very, very important. So yeah, like I mentioned, it's important to have engaging pictures throughout your ebook so that people can get engaged. Use different fonts, different colors. We can change this color too, but red works well because this is YouTube we are talking about. Don't look so good. So this is YouTube we are talking about, and we know YouTube, the brand color is red, so it's red and black and white if you wish. So basically we can change also the colors here. We can use that, see, just like that. The fonts, the colors. If you want to change the font color like that, you go to here, the A with the colors, then you change the colors to anything of your choice, but we'll stick to black. If you want to make the things bold, you tend just how it works in Word. If you want to make it italic, if you want to underline, all those things, you get all the effects here. So to go back, I'll tap there, and then we are back. So guys, this is how you write an ebook. And then let me see if I can have a clear view. If I can have a view of all 5 pages. This is how it looks. Okay guys, so now that we are done with our ebook, we want to download it obviously. So what we'll do, we'll tap on that arrow down, and then it will automatically start downloading. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. For those that still don't know why they need to design ebooks, please go to this video that I'll link up here, or I'll leave it in the description box so that you know why you need to design ebooks or why ebooks are so important. See you in my next video.